ispace completes Success 5 of Mission 2 Milestones Tokyo. Business Wire. ispace, Inc. Space. Tokyo, 9348. A global lunar exploration company, announced today that the Resilience lunar lander successfully completed a flyby of the moon on February 15, 2025, reaching its closest point at 22:43 Coordinated Universal Time, February 14, 2025. The Resilience lander came within approximately 8,400 kilometers of the moon's surface on its flyby, a historic first of its type for a Japanese private commercial lunar lander. RESILIE.
Prediction. Tesla stock could plunge by another 50% or more. Tesla, TSLA minus 0.03%. Stock soared to a new record high in December, shortly after President Trump's election win. Investors are betting on friendlier regulations, which could help the company bring its full self-driving FSD software to market much faster than previously expected, especially since CEO Elon Musk is currently serving as an advisor to the administration.
Surprise! McDonald's has higher profit margins than Tesla, Apple, or Netflix. Restaurants have notoriously low profit margins, but McDonald's, MCD minus 0.47%, the world's largest restaurant chain, is surprisingly one of the most profitable businesses.
Tesla. Bears will regret overlooking Shanghai Megapack factory. Upgrade. I am upgrading Tesla, Inc. stock to buy due to a recent price pullback and the launch of the Shanghai Megapack battery plant. The Shanghai Megapack factory is a non-linear growth catalyst in my view, yet has received little coverage thus far. Tesla's energy storage, already a $3 billion segment, reported triple-digit growth in the last quarter.
TikTok returns to Apple and Google app stores in the U.S. TikTok has returned to the app stores of Apple and Google in the U.S. after President Donald Trump delayed the enforcement of a TikTok ban.
Berkshire Hathaway leaves Apple stake unchanged in Q4, takes new stake in Constellation Brands. CNBC's Leslie Picker on the latest out of Berkshire Hathaway's investments in Q4.
What analysts think of Apple stock ahead of Wednesday's product launch. With Apple, AAPL CEO Tim Cook teasing a new product launch Wednesday, analysts have speculated a new lower-cost iPhone model could soon hit store shelves.
Thank you, Airbnb, and farewell, rating downgrade. I have been bullish on Airbnb since its IPO due to its strong network effects, lean capital structure, and ability to generate free cash flow. Airbnb just released its Q4 earnings and offered a first 2025 outlook. Despite Airbnb's impressive results, in this article 1 will explain why I sold my shares.
S&P 500 gains and losses today. Airbnb stock soars as profits, bookings top estimates, major U.S. equities indexes were mixed to wrap up a week of trading that spotlighted inflation updates and evolving trade policies.
Airbnb shares close up for best day since 2020. Closing bell comprehensive cross-platform coverage of the U.S. market close on Bloomberg Television, Bloomberg Radio, and YouTube, with Romaine Bostick, Scarlett Fu, Carol Massar, and Tim Stenovec.
Court filings show Meta paused efforts to license books for AI training. New court filings in an AI copyright case against Meta add credence to earlier reports that the company paused discussions with book publishers on licensing deals to supply some of its generative AI models with training data.
Fast money traders talk Meta's stock run. The fast money traders talk Meta's massive stock run.
Meta owns social media distribution. Analyst Meta Platforms, Meta, shares have recorded gains for 19 consecutive days, the longest winning streak of any current NASDAQ 100 NDX company since 1990. Bloomberg intelligence analyst Mandeep Singh joins Catalysts with Madison Mills to discuss Meta's record-setting run.